The star's Graves' disease, everything you need to know about Wendy Williams' health. Selena recently disclosed that during the early stages of her lupus fight, doctors had warned her of a potential stroke. Learn more about her health. When Wendy Williams first revealed she had Graves' illness in 2018, she acknowledged that she hadn't been paying attention to her own health at the time. According to People, she said at the time on Good Morning America, "We, as women, particularly if we have families, we're taking care of children, we're taking care of, home, our husbands, we take care of everybody but ourselves. It's pretty unfortunate, too. And that has nothing to do with socioeconomics. It seems like we're all in the same boat, no matter what," she added, regardless of the woman's rank. "I no longer engage in that." Wendy to start. It's crucial to note that Wendy used the opportunity she had after receiving her diagnosis to speak out in public and bring attention to the terrible ailment. Everything you need to know about Wendy Williams' battle with Graves' illness is provided here, from her original diagnosis to her current health. Wendy started a crucial public conversation on Graves' disease in February 2018. "The eye problem that you all have been noticing is caused by my thyroid, which has been completely catawampus. You noticed it before I did," she informed the audience, according to CBS News, during her presentation. She also mentioned how the diagnosis is related to her hyperthyroidism. She said, "My thyroid and hyperthyroidism are also related to Graves' disease." She then widened her eyes wide to clarify what she meant. "Graves' disease squeezes the muscles behind your eyeballs, so that's why for." She also acknowledged that her doctor had advised her to take a 3-week break from the show at the time. She'd already missed one, recalling how she'd been experiencing birds swimming around my head, like a cartoon before the diagnosis. "In 2, I'll be back." She joked, "I'm not an heiress. Who will cover my bills?" The Mayo Clinic describes Graves' disease as an immune system disorder that causes the overproduction of thyroid hormones. Angry behavior, drooping eyelids, weight loss, anxiety, hand tremors, weariness, and heat sensitivity are a few symptoms that can occur. Prior to receiving her diagnosis, Wendy had acknowledged on her show that she had experienced stress and severe irritability. How much time has Wendy been ill? As mentioned before, Wendy received her Graves' disease diagnosis in 2018. In that same year's appearance on Good Morning America, she stated that menopause had concealed her symptoms. She said to GMA's Amy Robach, "With the menopause, I wasn't pointing a finger to any particular item. I was just thinking, all right, well, I'm 53 and I guess this is how it should be." She also mentioned that her blood pressure had been discovered to be high when she collapsed during her performance on Halloween of 2017. "Even in October when I passed out on Halloween, that particular day when the EMTs got there, I had high blood pressure, which I never have high blood pressure," she claimed. "My blood pressure is either excellent or very low all the time. Never is it high. However, because of the high level and lack of salt, they had to keep pumping me up with electrolytes. I can't believe I finished the show after the commercial break by getting up." In 2018, Wendy told People, "I feel 100% better than I did a few months ago. The best way I can describe it is that I had a storm happening inside of me. I caused it by skipping my endocrinologist checkup after 6 months. I am hyperthyroid and have Graves' disease. Although it's not a must to have both if you have one, I have both and I was given a diagnosis for each 19 years ago." Before the 2022 season of her program came to a conclusion, she fully committed to her health. "I love doing the show, but I love me more," she said to People. "So that I can be there for them, I'm going to take care of myself." The month of October 2022. After receiving therapy for 2 months, it was stated that she had left a rehab center due to overall health issues. "We are happy to report that Wendy Williams is home and healing after being in a wellness facility since August," Wendy's representative, Sean Zanotti, said in a statement to Page 6 at the time. Wendy is excited about the road ahead and looking forward to releasing her many projects, the statement said. "I am back and better than ever thanks to my fans' love, support, and numerous prayers."